Hi everyone, in this project we will make an oil barrel explosion animation. As you see, realism is perfect and oil barrel and explosion animation. Rendering, render setup and active shade mode. We can P and Alt W, Shift Q is our scene, and we can, as you see, we can turn, and our explosion scene is 3D, as you see, perfect, and we can watch detail in our oil explosion, as you see, and we can watch with every angle, as you see. First of all, we will model an oil barrel, as you see, and we will add explosion VDB files, and result is perfect, as you see. Yes, as you see, result is perfect. And another frame, perfect, as you see. Yes. If you are ready, let's start. First of all, we can modeling a oil barrel, so we can add a cylinder and maybe coordinates 0, 0 and maybe F4. Sides may be too much. Yes, perfect. And right click, convert to the table poly, and select this face, Alt W, and maybe insert. Yes, maybe just a bit. Perfect. And we can extrude negative value. Yes, it's enough for now. Okay. F4. Yes. Or oil barrel. And we have, as you see, we have a text. We have a barrels image from textures.com. Yes, as you see from texture.com, you can download this image and we can use this in our project. As you see, add material at first, physical, and maybe surface and standard surface. Maybe we can F4 adjust a bit, for example edge, and connect, maybe yes, okay, and maybe select this face and hold down shift and okay, Alt W and Control and Shift, hold Shift and Control and hold Shift, just hold Shift and hold Shift again. Perfect. hold shift, yes, and extrude, local normal, and positive value, not too much, enough, okay. And we can add also bottom this way, so, and perfect, okay. And again polygon, alt W, and select and shift, control and shift, yes, hold shift, perfect, 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 and done, and extrude again, okay. And as you see, maybe we can add this petrol oil surface for edit mesh. First of all, we can add and open GIMP. It's open source software, and select our barrel image, open, select this barrel, you can select this barrel, yes, enough, and Ctrl C, and right click, create from clipboard, yes, or barrel image is here, and save as, export this. As you see, we have barrel image right now, and you can select standard surface and bitmap, and select this barrel image and add the material, and we can add UV map and maybe cylinder, and yes, I think enough right now. Select cylindrical, yes, enough, and bake and specular 0, perfect. And we can add edit mesh and select this face and bake petrol image. Our oil barrel is ready right now, as you see. Okay, we can save our project, save, and name is oil barrel explosion, yes, explosion, yes, oil barrel explosion. We can go to djangofx.com, and as you see, it's free VDB, as you see, and we can download this gasoline explosion. Download. As you see, I downloaded before, and this files, as you see, VDB files. We can change names, for example 00040 and rename 000, yes, 4 number, as you see, and go to this VDB and we can add 320, and we can add same this 0 count, 3 count before this number, and for example, and again rename 00, and we can go to 3 number, add just 1, yes, and rename just 1, and finally just 1. And as you see, yes, I have finished rename all VDB files. For example, first VDB 40 and 30, 30, 30 and 309, and in 10 number, as you see, 20, 20, 20, 20, and you can see, and 2099, and when the number is come to 100, 10, as you see, 10, 10, 10, this way, and 10. It's very important, but you can use renamer free software also. We can add Arnold Volume, perfect, and this is maybe 0, and this maybe 0 again, 0 and 0, as you see, maybe just a bit this way, perfect, yes, and we can select VDB file path and select this, open, yes, animation load, okay, and as you see, perfect. We can increase animation time, and we can use z-axis, as you see, yes, perfect, animation is started, perfect, this way, yes, yes, as you see, Shift F and Shift Q, as you see, perfect result. We can go to render setup and active shade mode and Shift Q, yes, maybe just a bit, yes, yes, as you see, barrel is too big, so maybe we can increase, yes, as you see, perfect. We can reduce this size, yes, and okay, and maybe perfect, maybe just a bit, and maybe perfect, and we can Reduce also, can continue reduce and select and perfect. Still just a bit, we can see the wire. Yes, and yes. Yes, maybe Ctrl Z. Yes. I think enough for now. Perfect result. Yes, result is perfect, I think, and this way. Yes, perfect. We can add rendering environment color, maybe this one, and Shift Q. The result is perfect. Yes. Shift Q. Yes, result is perfect right now. And maybe we can align this resolution, maybe 370, and perfect result. Yes. Perfect. You can see this explosion, 3-dimension, as you see. Perfect. 3-dimension explosion. And yes, I think enough for now. Perfect. Perfect. Yes, I think enough. And we can add Ctrl CC, and we can add Arnold light. Arnold light we can add. Perfect. And Ctrl Shift Q again. Yes, result is perfect. Maybe render setup, Arnold render, maybe this one just a bit, one Shift Q. Yes, I think perfect for now. Ctrl S. Yes, okay. Shift Q. Yes, result is perfect. We can add render file for now. So rendering, render setup, and production rendering mode, and custom 170 again, and maybe this active time segment and barrel explosion render, yes, and JPEG oil barrel explosion render and render. Okay, save and render. Yes, render has complete, and we can check it. Compare media in Ramply. Yes, select and open and okay. Yes, we can check. Yes, perfect result as you see. Yes, is our oil explosion is ready right now. Yes, thanks for watching and see you in another project.